I've been testing Mesh.ai for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review. I'll go over its main features, pros, and a few things you should know before using it. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of what Mesh.ai can and can't do. So what exactly is Mesh.ai? It's a platform that lets you create 3D models directly from text prompts or images, powered entirely by AI. The goal is to make 3D asset creation easy for everyone, even if you've never touched modeling software before. Just type what you want or upload a reference picture, and Meshy does the rest. When it comes to features, Meshy supports a wide range of creative and professional workflows. Whether you're into film production, product design, education, game development, 3D printing, VR AR, or interior design, there's something here for you. It promises instant generation, turning ideas into detailed models within seconds. That's impressive when you think about how long traditional modeling usually takes, sometimes hours or even days. Meshy is also quite versatile. You can generate assets in many styles: photorealistic, cartoon, sci-fi, or hand-painted fantasy. It handles props, characters, and environments with solid results. For production use, exports are streamlined with multiple formats like FBX, GLB, OBJ, STL, 3MF, USDZ, and Blend. If you've ever worked with game engines or 3D tools, you know that's a big time saver. No extra conversions needed. It also comes with AI-powered tools for texturing, rigging, and animation. You can edit textures, rig characters, and even animate them right inside the platform. No need for separate plugins. For indie creators and educators, its low cost and easy learning curve make it especially appealing. Other nice touches include built-in collaboration, team asset management, and enterprise-grade security. The community is large and active, with more than 3 million users sharing and remixing models, so it's easy to find inspiration or get feedback. Still, Meshy isn't perfect. While it aims to make 3D creation affordable and accessible, the final quality of your models depends a lot on your input and expectations. For very detailed or professional work, you might still need to refine the results in traditional software. Speed and simplicity come at a price. Sometimes you'll have to trade a bit of creative control for automation. Not every model will look perfect on the first try, though the free regeneration option helps you tweak results.